Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by determining the paint type because the solvent choice matters. Water-based lifts with soap, oil-based needs alcohol or solvent. Once identified, you scrape dried excess gently with a plastic scraper to avoid scuffs. Next, dampen a cloth with warm soapy water and blot, not rub, to test removal. If paint resists, transition to isopropyl alcohol on a cotton pad applied around the edge to loosen without soaking the shoe. Make sure to work in short bursts to monitor material reaction. Once the test spot proves safe, you apply solvent sparingly with a cotton swab to the paint itself. This focuses action and protects finish. Use a soft bristle brush to agitate textured areas. The mechanical motion breaks paint bonds while solvent dissolves residue. After each pass, blot with a clean, damp cloth to remove loosened pigment, then reassess. If paint softens, continue in small sections. If not, switch from alcohol to a dedicated remover rated for the shoe material, always checking for discoloration. You finish by rinsing the treated area with mild soap and water to remove solvent traces, then pat dry and air dry away from direct heat to prevent warping. Once fully dry, restore leather with conditioner or reapply fabric protector to preserve appearance and resistance. If a stubborn stain remains, make sure to repeat the small area solvent test rather than blanket application. Alternatively, consider a professional cleaner for delicate or high-value shoes to avoid permanent damage. This protects your investment and prevents.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.